Hey everyone, welcome back. A new software update has just rolled out for the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion. This is the monthly security patch update, and once installed, your phone will be upgraded to the June security patch. The update size is 223 MB. In this video, I'll also tell you whether I faced any issues after installing this update, and I'll show you the Geekbench scores of my device before and after. So make sure you watch till the end. This phone has been performing really well so far, even after multiple updates. Unlike some previous Edge series models where people reported motherboard issues. I have been getting a lot of questions about battery backup and whether I have faced any motherboard problems on this model too. And to answer that clearly, no, I haven't faced any such issues. Now, coming back to the update, it took around 10 minutes to install. After the update, I used the phone for a few hours, and so far everything has been working completely normal. No issues at all. You won't notice any major changes after installing this update. Here are the CPU and GPU scores before and after the update. Go ahead and check yours and let me know in the comments how your scores compare. Just keep in mind, the scores may not match exactly on your device. They can vary from phone to phone depending on the background apps, temperature, and other factors. Also, don't forget to share your review in the comments. It really helps others watching this video make an informed decision. Thanks in advance for that. Check the description box for more related videos and other helpful links. And I'll see you in the next video.